Alright, so welcome guys to another sound test, and we now have an exciting sound test. We now have the flagship of Apple and Samsung, the two most popular phone tech brands. And yes, I did check out the Galaxy Buds Pro before, and yes, I did enjoy my listen. Of course, let me know down in the comments below which one is for you, which one also fits your preference, and let me know also down below if you have this too, what is your experience with your copy. So yes, let's start the sound test now.
You should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And